Well, there she goes.
Smell like chlorine.
Oh my goodness.
It won't go in, it'll go around.
Good land. You gotta be kidding me. There she goes. Bye-bye swimming pool.
Go away in a little bit. Good Lord,
Yep, my pool's seen better days, so we are pulling her down. We had a saltwater pump on it, and it rusted through, so it ate it up quick. So, say goodbye to the swimming pool. And then have the covered little patio. Alright, as y'all well know, my pool had a hole in it, and we had to take it down. So we come up with an idea. We're trying to figure out what to do with this space right here. And I love to lay out in the sun, but I don't like the upkeep of a swimming pool. So this is what we came up
That like to be good.
with.
You're supposed to be watching me so I don't break my neck. Just keep the flower. Sorry.
Are you smashing my flower?
It'll be alright.
I'm gonna lay this in here. What size is this?
What?
What size is it?
8 foot?
8 foot.
About 3 foot. Don't let nobody tell you, man, we're not strong.
Perfect. And you gotta do 2 or just that one?
That one there, and that's the pickup. I'm gonna put this one right here.
Mm-hmm.
You want it up high or you want it right there? Way it's spraying on you. Because it'd be spraying on you if I didn't.
Neil, what are you doing?
Teflon tape.
For what?
So all your water don't leak out that hole. You don't want to leak. You don't want to leak one, even though it's got a gasket on it.
The fittings that we got off of our pool.
Locked.
Now turn the water hose on and we're gonna let it fill up. It's ready to go. I want to give give you an update on some items I just picked up. I'm going to turn this little space where I have my swimming pool into a little patio. Picked 2 of these palm trees up at Home Depot for $14.98 a piece. Got 2 of those. Just picked up 2 little plastic chairs. These were $19.99. And then there is my tanning bed, my redneck tanning bed. I have decided to take this area, I don't know if you can see it right here. Monday, I'm going to go get some rocks, and I'm going to turn this into a patio. I'm going to put some medium-sized pebble rocks in there with some stepping stones, and I got 2 little lanterns. I'm going to just give this little area, it's going to be my little space, a kind of tropical feel out here, I think is what I'm going to do. Right here, you know, steps off into my little back porch area. I'm going to do a walkway from here, but I got some work ahead of me because I've got to get some more stepping stones. I got to dig up some flowers and get that all going. But I'm going to kind of give it that tiki Hawaiian type feel out there, I think. And just have a little sitting area, because if you just listen, I want y'all to listen to all of this. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but all the birds, and of course you can hear the insects in the background. But I think this will just be a really nice little area to have for me, a little quiet space. It's really peaceful.